Welcome to the Braille Studios. Today we have a Christopher McNugget, a Fetty McPotter, and an Aaron J. Kyro.
And a bad idea.
And a very good idea. So this was voted on our Instagram, at Braille Skate on Instagram. We posted these up and we had votes to see which boards would win as what you guys wanted us to skate in a video called The 3 Most Dangerous Boards. So we have the titanium, which beat out the nail board. The nail board, in my opinion, is the most dangerous because if you fall, you're dead. Maybe you guys thought it was a little bit too dangerous. Versus the chainsaw board. This one's pretty good, up against the knife. So here's the premise of this video, y'all. We're gonna play a game of skate. You have to rotate the boards.
So like if you kickflip this, then you have to try it on that, or everyone gets to try a kickflip on this? Yeah.
Everyone gets a kickflip on this. And then the next turn that you go, you rotate. All right, so we're gonna Rochambeau, and the winner is gonna go first and use the board that they have, and then that will start the rotation. Dang it.
So, you're first. Okay, that's second, this third.
You are first, it's full park. Please, just take it easy on us.
Okay.
Please don't cut yourself.
Be nice to us.
Got him.
I want to try and ollie up the your grip. Oh, that didn't work out as well as I thought it would. Just gave up my turn, dang.
So the official rotation starts now. It's been a long time since I skated this, Fetty. Yes, sir. That's what we call a first try.
I don't trust you with that thing. Whoa, 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 whoa.
No one. So now we're onto this. This one made Doug's shins bleed, full blown. If they all land this, I'm taking the knife off the Braille drop.
This video is gonna need a lot of cuts.
Razor sharp. That was the one chance I had to win this game, and it's over.
That was my skateboard.
Now you gotta go for him.
Oh, I thought we were doing actual tricks. I gotta get into their heads, it's my only chance. Oh yeah, boy!
No slide?
That's way harder than you guys might think at home. Wow, if they had any idea how hard this thing was to skate, they would like, feel for me. No.
Bro, that was titanium.
No.
McNugget, you are up with the chainsaw.
I'm gonna pull that little rail out and try and board slide it.
That is the last thing I would do on a chainsaw board. Can I just give you my glaring concerns? You go into the board slide, you come off, but one foot stays on. The board flips over the rail, launches off and goes... And
then it somehow starts and cuts through both of your legs in the end of skateboarding.
No, I'm just kidding, you're all right.
Okay. You really got this. Sometimes that really messes people up the most. You really got, like, I know you got this. I'm so confident in your ability to got this.
Give him a rebate.
Rebate?
Wow. I almost cut off both of my...
You ended up with this again?
I'm gonna try the board slide again. I need to get that.
All right. Oh! Your like foot went under the chainsaw.
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. My dignity is shot though.
So we're back. Same board, same trick. What are we doing? I guess everybody's doing it. I gotta do it too. Mother of God!
I don't know about that. My feet are really scared of that freaking board.
Man, that cut deep.
Of course, the boy who eats flaming swords for breakfast would win this. Oh yeah, it's okay. Coming back, the titanium kickflip above the step-up gap will get me. It will get me.
What you got?
I have no clue. I'm just trying to strategize here.
Well, I underestimated the popping.
Whoa! I landed a trick!
I taught Aaron the secret.
Primo on the knife.
Yeah, that sucked. Cut my foot in half.
This is the best game of full park flat ground skate I've ever played. Aaron! Oh my.
That is the single most horrible thing I've ever heard.
Where do these people come from, Gabe?
He's from Pismo.
Pismo Beach.
Does everyone in Pismo do blunt slides down like banks?
Everybody, every single one of them.
Respect.
Because it's full park, and I don't, want to just do flat ground tricks.
Aaron's gonna do a shove down the bank.
I will do a trick on the bank.
Please do a full shove it. If you slide out and it shoots off and lunges into my neck, I will never forgive you and probably never be able to walk again.
You'll be able to walk. You just won't be able to breathe.
Because I'll be dead.
Oh! Everything I ever wanted was splashing.
Your future children.
He did that and the knife went straight at me. And I thought, just hit me. In the game. Seriously, I have no idea how he does that. Maybe because he can do blunt slides, he can do this. I cannot blunt slide.
He has more steez than me on a chainsaw. That is insulting. You guys made that look remarkably easy.
So he's gonna try and manual this, but he's gonna clip his back truck and fall. Watch.
You were wrong.
I stand extremely corrected. I'm sorry. Maybe that was what was gonna happen to me, and I didn't go, so there we go. Well, if I can't do the kickflip again on flat, I'm gonna do a trick on the bank. Oh man, it's so scary. I just want to stab this through this board.
Where's all this aggression coming from?
They're the most dangerous boards. It's like you have to use your testosterone to even try the trick, and then afterwards, if you don't land it, you just, Daniel! You just drop in, that's it?
Just drop in,
That's
yeah.
a trick.
Whoa, whoa, dangerous. What? Yo, look what you just did.
You just shaved the ramp in half. That just goes to show how dangerous this is. Ah!
Oh! Good.
Oh, I'm like really warmed up, and now I'm gonna land tricks. Thanks, Fetty.
You're welcome.
Nailed it. Aaron, you completely got this. I have 100% faith in your ability. I'll give you a rebate.
Wow, you guys are the best friends I've ever had.
Good. You want to get Aaron a letter on that knife, do the 5. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Oh! You're a good guy, Faith.
Thanks.
Oh! Sparks flew, my leg got cut, I'm bleeding everywhere. At least Fetty and I are gonna be even up. Oh!
No
Full
way.
chunk out of the rail. Feel that, yep.
That's crazy.
Chainsaw. Quick! No stall. It's a game of strategy. It's like war at this point. Man, I really wish you had that.
Chainsaw.
Oh my god. I'm getting to him, I'm getting to him. I got this rhythm going. If I land kickflip on this,
You are not gonna land a kickflip on that.
that's what I needed, Cruz. No. Do a different trick, Betty. I'm not gonna try that. No way. Backside 180, I haven't even done.
I will allow an ollie to warm up.
Just do it on my board as many times as I want to practice?
Yeah.
Come on. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area.
That was awesome.
I'm gonna land this.
You're gonna land it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
He's powered up. Ready to go.
Oh my god. I feel ashamed now that I didn't get it.
I knew he can do it.
I have my limits on what I will attempt.
Yeah.
Next time we're playing flat ground only. Just think of the possibilities. Look, this is one. I told you.
That bail was so funny.
It literally was a knife off a 5-stair into my groin.
Aaron, you have one more try. What is wrong with you?
I'm crying.
He hit the wall.
These guys think it's a joke. I can't do that. Above my pay grade.
Fetty, no. Oh no!
I'm gonna try the manual once again.
Down it.
I mean, it is on defense. Like, that's pretty much it.
Uno más. Oh! The only one I'm really afraid of slipping up is the chainsaw.
But this one, man, if it gets you,
Oh my god. On a scale of 1 to 10, you're a 1. I was gonna try and go the whole way, but I veered off to the right. Redo, there's a human in the way.
Fetty's hanging on for his life.
he is. He's doing good. I was so close, but no cigar. Nose manual up this bank.
Good!
Fetty! He freaking landed it.
It just doesn't slide. I even waxed it.
Just know. If he tears his ACL again, it was your fault. Fetty, you just do not want to lose.
No.
Let me help you. Let me help you.
Okay, okay.
So you can
Now you're gonna land
All
it.
right, let's do it.
You're welcome.
What would I do without you?
Whoa. How did you do
I
that?
don't know.
Well, this is game.
Ah!
That did not
I
hurt.
know, I'm just kidding. Fetty! Fetty!
That's what we wanted to happen with the shield.
Thank you, 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 and you, and you, and you, and y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a blast to make, and I almost died, and these guys are incredible for all of the things that they did. Their channels will be in the description below, so definitely go follow them and tell them well done for killing Aaron. If you guys want to watch all the other videos in this series, click right here. That would be really, really rad, because there's some rad videos, and we want you to learn to skateboard. We don't even care at this point if you want to learn to skateboard. We're just pushing it on you. Even if you don't want to ever learn, you're learning. So go right here to brailleskateboarding.com and get a skateboard, and it's fun. Even if you don't want to learn, just trust us, do it, it's fun. You can go there and you will have fun. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Like, what are you doing? And then like and leave a comment below.
Ow.